Kinohikai Haklama Confederation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Mentagasni Karfulai Trik Nailor Arhajar Pesan Gilalej Banyakendu yang Menteri Ketenat Pulepti Bak Lakman Romboy Banyakren Hak Bedai Berkejindawa Ban Pentrikam Yakimat Keba Kinohikai Kilabu Hakmat Sorkar Habakren Sekilat Thai Kubor Nakaliang Vice President Jangka Fastom Loong Bo Menteri Ula Pentip Ban Syong Jingalang Biang Hadin Kalian Yang Puja Nakamta banyak keren yakimat jingdawa kaba kina hikayat hok kilabu hakmat sarkar. Haba persyang ban keli halor kajing yaki nakaliang jong Vice President loong bakina alam kini kendu yang bat kina hikai Hamadan Malki bat sasim yakarai la kendam beteng ne kin sange no ya kajing yaki. Re hadu batho ya kana kubor kajing yaki jong hikai kadang beteng Hamadan Malki.
Nakaliang jom ke Education Minister ulakhat yakran nengi mentakasi te ngilawan nakaliang ke Federation te anda ngila yarung yasyong te kabalingkong nakaliang jeng department mentak ong ba ni ai kublai ningkong nakaliang jong ki wat nakaliang ke sarkar ki ong ya ke contribution ba ki ad hoc teachers kila ai hakasti tamdai tangengi lesi ya barok rupi kinohikai keberan halastir damar bakani ke contribution ke mentang ilap Meghalaya kalanong hakatan kepasan hakata kali tersiri ta te hadin bang ya kran pat ya ke wakikam ke bedai pat ke jingkentiu kertan yangi te nakaliang education minister di iong ba nadu bakila penmi ya katu ke Meghalaya education kerang di kiseng paper nangta nakaliang ke management ki priushimet kila ai ya kita ki suggestion jengki ki views ki jengki te nakaliang education minister uang ba hadin jeng ke puja kemud yin saya syong nakaliang department bangin ya perkat ke kalenti kasenjam ke ba ke department kan sim nang ni ringkat ba sarkar ha ka bayadai bat kini ki school ki bubun kategori kamut kathong ka jongki kalong menta ban penduna ya kita ki jingbun jongki kategori te kamumut hak bakut hi ka jingya kren kalong ba education minister iong ba nganumla hi ya menta bangan ai ya ka assurance ban kentiu kerdan ya kinohikai ad hoc syaka deficit system lani syaka deficit pattern di kamutkan sasyong karai hadin ba kilaya pelong kini ki jingalang bat ki babun ki seng bat ki babun kini ki management bat ki priushimet lani bat ki political party de kamut haka bakut ni sautu ba ngilaya kran rubat education minister bato ka ai ka ba phila pentip syangi de kamut ba ngi yamantangi namla ban rai tang kinom yalam ki ba khamat kamut ba ka ai ka bang yakran bat ingin ra ya kan ikut kubor syakino hikai jengi ki badan Hamadan Malki bat kibadon syapot turah di karai ke bakhadu kadai be kejau at present he told us that he cannot give any assurance. The department, they will study, they will review the suggestion, the views given by the different association and the stakeholders in related to the MEG. Until and unless they study and reviews those suggestions, he said, at present, I cannot give you any assurance what shall we do with the demand of the Federation. So here we stand as the frontline leaders to put it in you, the teachers, the decision, what shall we do, whether we will continue with the agitation or we will stop our agitation. You want to continue? Let us raise our hands. Continue. So, okay then, we will stick to the decision taken by the majority We had told the education concern minister that we are just the frontline leaders. We have got many leaders who are in Malki Playground and even in Tura who will take the final decision. So your decision is that we will continue, so we will go ahead with our agitation program. Okay, thank you.